Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to master Google AI Studio in 2026. Whether you're creating content, writing code, building AI applications, or testing prompts, this guide will help you get the most out of the platform step by step. First, sign in to Google AI Studio using your Google account and explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the prompt editor, Gemini model selection, project workspace, and API tools so you know where everything is located. Next, practice writing detailed prompts. Include clear instructions, context, the desired tone, output format, and response length. Well-written prompts consistently produce better AI-generated results. Now experiment with different Gemini models to understand which one performs best for your specific tasks, such as content creation, coding, research, summarization, or brainstorming. Next, if you're building applications, create an API key and learn how to connect Google AI Studio with your own software using the official API documentation. Always keep your API key secure and private. Continue testing and refining your prompts by comparing different versions. Small improvements in wording can significantly improve the quality and consistency of the responses. Finally, save your most effective prompts, stay updated with new features as Google AI Studio evolves, and keep experimenting to improve your workflow and productivity. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to master Google AI Studio step by step. You're now ready to make the most of Google's AI tools for personal projects, business tasks, and application development. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.